So I just wanted to let you guys know what we're doing today. So today is just a travel day for us. We are headed from Soledad Canyon RV Park, which is 1,000 trails, to the Palm Springs RV Resort, which is also 1,000 trails. So it's 134 miles. So we're pretty much just gonna pack up here and head over there and then see what there is to do out there.
This guy.
What route are we taking?
We are hitting Route 66, at least for a little while, which is pretty exciting because I don't think I've ever been on Route 66.
I don't think I have either.
Someday we're gonna have to take a trip on that, but at least for now we can take a little stretching. Yeah? Oh, do you want the window back down? I'm sorry. Yeah. I'll let you have all the noise. So this guy started screaming, so we had to pull over in the first available space. So I don't know if you can see this beautiful parking lot that we're in, but it's kind of just dirt. That's what we got. So anyways, got him fed. Fortunately, there's a Denny's across the street, so Jessica went to go get us some Denny's to go. And I guess we're gonna have lunch here in the dirt. Okay, now's the fun part.
Just barely?
Piece of cake.
What about water?
I got a 50-foot hose on water.
I guess we're good there.
I made sure I bought an extra one. I was worried about this, but this actually is plenty long. Oh yeah, we're good.
How level are we?
0.2 degrees.
Oh, that's not bad. What are you doing?
Come on, hooking the drugs.
Your child fell asleep again.
He'll be awake just in time for the air conditioning. Okay, truck is ready to get out.
Okay, so where are we headed to now?
Walmart.
To get what?
Oh, you wanted to know why we're going to Walmart?
Yeah.
Because we have 20 feet of sewer hose. And apparently we need 30 feet of sewer hose.
Whew. So, it has been a day. Was it last night the owner or one of the people that work here came to our door, right?
Yeah, like 9 o'clock.
Yeah, something really late. I guess we weren't in the spot correctly. There's a certain way you have to be in the spots, I guess, at this campground, but whatever. So he said in the morning you'll have to move it to get in the right angle. Okay, so we get up this morning. We're thinking it's going to be like 10, 15 minutes. Takes us 2 hours to do this dumb thing. And the power is not even on our side. It's just, it was a fiasco. I ended up having to back in the trailer because I couldn't guide you because it was just so crazy.
That's true. Which is something I've been pushing for a while.
I know, it was very scary. I do not know what to do or anything, but Reno guided me back and that's how we did it. So we got it in the spot. We had to reset up everything, so we had to take everything off. And so we're in the park.
We are in the park.
Unfortunately, it's cash, or it's card only, not cash.
Yeah, that's kind of a bummer because we have cash for everything right now, but that's not how it's working. So it's all right. I got a card. What are you doing?
Making a bottle for my child.
On the side of the road?
On the side of the road. By rocks.
Hey, if you're gonna eat a bottle, this is the scenery to do it with.
Maybe you won't be too distracted because I'll be staring at something.
There you go.
made it to Joshua Tree National Park. I am all strapped in over here. I got the child. I got the my backpack with my water bladder. We got bottles. Reno's got the diaper pad. I think we're good to go over here.
Yep. Now we just got to figure out where.
Yes, and I think this is only like 1.3 miles.
Yeah, 1.2, 1.3 miles.
Something
Easy
like
peasy.
that. Yeah, very easy.
Good trail to start.
Yeah, because you know we're easing back into everything since someone hasn't done anything for a long time because of this one over here. So we'll see how it goes. So it turns out that we are taking the Hidden Valley Trail, not Hidden Valley Ranch, but trail. So
Technically the Hidden Valley Nature Trail.
yeah, so it should be it says it's labeled easy, so let's hope for it.
Parking area.
It says loop that way.
That way.
That way. Okay. So far, we're doing okay.
We have gone 35 feet.
I know we've gone 35 feet. We're making it. I'm just really out of shape and my iron's really low. I was hoping to do my iron infusion before we left, but it didn't work out that way. So we're just doing what we do. I feel like a camel with everything strapped to me. I know, that's how I feel too, dude. So our child has learned a new trick, and he has learned that he could scream. And he does it quite often. You know, we're 4 months old. We discovered our voice. What can we do? What can we do? We're screaming on the trail. No, he's not being murdered. He's just screaming. Well, I was gonna get you frolicking in the meadows again, but you know. And yes, he's wearing a pretty blue backpack. How do you feel about your backpack? You wanna tell everybody what happened to your actual backpack?
So on mine, which I haven't used in a little while, I filled it up and the water bladder's fine, but then I plugged the hose in and the hose had a cut and I didn't know, and I was sitting on the couch and it just like drowned our RV and our child and our couch. So I had to borrow Jessica's old one, which is working just fine. It's just, you know, mine has all of my things in it and it's a little bit bigger of a backpack, so it's fine, everything's fine. This actually is a much nicer one. I just like my backpack.
Are you gonna scream again for the camera? Could be over from his face.
Are you digging that strap?
We're teething.
Give me.
So we're just gonna chew on everything. We'll go back up now.
Back up the stairs. Break time.
He's heavy. So I definitely messed up my knees somehow. Which kind of sucks. So. You got tuck a hair up here, dude? That's like mixed in with your hair. You're fine. Just trying to get the tucker hair off you.